Hey there, design enthusiasts! Are you ready to elevate the look and feel of your home to a whole new level of luxury? Well, you're in luck because today, we're sharing some simple yet effective tips to help you achieve that luxurious aesthetic you've always dreamed of. Whether you're on a budget or looking to splurge, these tips will transform your space into a stunning sanctuary of style and sophistication. Let's dive in. 1. Focus on quality over quantity. The key to creating a luxurious home is to focus on quality over quantity. Invest in well-made furniture pieces, luxurious textiles, and high-quality materials that will stand the test of time. Opt for timeless designs that exude elegance and sophistication, rather than trendy pieces that may quickly go out of style. 2. Incorporate rich textures. Add depth and visual interest to your space by incorporating rich textures. Mix and match materials like velvet, silk, leather, and faux fur to create a luxurious tactile experience. Textured wallpaper, plush area rugs, and decorative pillows are also great ways to add warmth and dimension to your home. 3. Layer lighting sources. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and ambience of a space. Layering different lighting sources including overhead fixtures, table lamps, floor lamps, and accent lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider installing dimmer switches to control the intensity of light and create the perfect ambience for any occasion. 4. Add metallic accents. Incorporate metallic accents to add a touch of glamour to your home. Gold, silver, and brass accents can instantly elevate the look of any room, adding a sense of luxury and sophistication. Whether it's a statement chandelier, gilded picture frames, or mirrored furniture, metallic accents are sure to make a bold statement. 5. Keep it clutter-free. A clutter-free space is essential for creating a luxurious atmosphere. Keep surfaces clean and uncluttered, and invest in stylish storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Opt for streamlined furniture with hidden storage compartments to maximize space and maintain a clean, minimalist aesthetic. And there you have it, our top tips for making your home look luxurious. By focusing on quality, texture, lighting, and attention to detail, you can create a space that exudes elegance and sophistication. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more design inspiration.